Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are doing great. This is your coach Nadeem Tariq here from the platform of university.org and vjob.org, and I hope all of you are doing great. This is your lecture number 5 of blog writing series, and in today's lecture we will learn theoretically about how to write a blog post and what are the major steps, what are the major guidelines that you must have to keep in mind while writing any type of blog. Okay, so these step by step guideline is applicable on every type of blog writing, as we discussed later on about the strategies that you must have to keep in mind while writing your blogs. All those strategies were also in general, and you can apply those strategies in every type of blog writing. And also, in today's video, we will learn about the complete methodology of writing up a blog, and this methodology is also applicable in all types of blog writing. Okay, so this lecture is going to be a short discussion lecture on how to write a blog post and what is the actual methodology behind writing up a blog post. And after that, we will catch up on Monday, and from Monday onward, I will provide the practical demonstrations of writing up each and every type of blog post. We will learn through the practical demonstration, like how to write a certain kind of blog. Okay, today is going to be a short lecture of about 15 to 20 minutes. Then from Monday onward, we will have the practical demonstrations of writing up the complete methodology, the application of complete methodology, and learning how to write a blog post. Okay, so writing a blog post can be an exciting way to share your thoughts, expertise, and experiences with a wider audience. This particular lecture content is not available on LMS. I just created all these 13 points in order to simplify the complete methodology of writing up a blog post. And currently, this particular content is only available on my Google document. I will make sure to add this content as well, the step by step guideline that I created for you people, that I simplified for you people, on your LMS as well by tonight, inshallah. And then you can go ahead and add your submission on this topic. Okay, so writing a blog post can be an exciting way to share your thoughts, expertise, and experiences with wider audience. Here is a step by step guideline to help you to write an effective and engaging blog post. So first of all, whenever we are thinking about to write a certain blog, what we have to do is we have to choose, we have to grab a certain topic. And while choosing a certain topic, there are certain points that we all must keep in mind. Like first of all, we must have to keep in mind while choosing a certain topic for writing up a blog, that that particular topic must be of your interest. For example, if you are a person who is related to computer science, and if I assign you to write a blog that is particularly related to biological science, that means that particular topic is not of your interest, is not of your skill. Okay, so this is why I am saying that particular topic, whenever you are choosing a certain topic for writing up a blog, be very curious, be very vigilant, and choose a certain topic that is of your interest, that is of your skill. Okay, then what will happen, you will inshallah end up writing a certain kind of blog that is going to be on trend in your audience, because you are providing your 100% effort in writing up that kind of blog. But when a certain topic is not of your interest, and you do not have any kind of actual and accurate information about a particular topic, so it is really very embarrassing for providing wrong information in your blog. And if you are a kind of a computer programming person, and you are writing a blog on a topic that is particularly related to biological science, you do not have any idea about biological sciences, and the information you are providing them, you do not have any idea whether that particular information is accurate or not. Like if you are same is the case with biological persons. Like if someone is particularly interested in writing certain kind of topics that are related to biological sciences, and if I assign him a topic that is related to computer programming, or a kind of a topic that is related to any of the business strategy, any of these things, and marketing strategy, etc., he or she will not be able to provide his or her 100% effort in that particular block, because that topic is not of her interest. And also he or she must not whether the information they are providing in their blog is accurate or not. So always, on your first step in order to write a certain blog, the very first step is to choose a topic. Okay, and in order to choose a topic, you have to be very keen interested in a certain niche, in a certain kind of category, and you have to be very categorically particular in that case, and you must choose the topic of your interest, so that you may provide your 100% effort in writing up that blog. Select a topic that you are passionate about, or that aligns with the theme of your blog. Okay, so for example, if you have created a blog page of your own, like you can go ahead and create a blog page on Bloggers as well, Tumblr as well, Pura as well, and the Facebook. These four are the major pages where you can pursue ahead as a beginner for blog writing. Okay, so go ahead, start writing your blogs, create your pages, and start writing your blogs in accordance with your interest. Okay, so that you must have a portfolio as a content writer in order to present it in front of your clients whenever you are starting as a freelance content writer. Okay, so select a topic that you are passionate about, or that aligns with the theme of your blog. So theme, what does a theme of the blog mean? Theme of the blog means you have created a blog page that is particularly related to write blogs related to yoga, to write blogs related to you can say that kind of genetic diseases, or you have created a blog page of for writing a kind of cosmetics. So that is a particular theme of your blog, and it depends on you. You must have to choose those kind of topics in order to write on your blog that are on trend, and also that are of your interest. For example, if your blog page is of cosmetic theme, then go ahead and search on Google about the trending topics in cosmetic field. Start writing about them, start answering the questions of people in regard to that particular field of knowledge, or that particular category of blog writing. Consider the interest of your target audience and the relevance of your topic. So your topic must be very relevant whenever you are writing it on your page, because if the blog post that you are posting on your blog page is not categorically matching and is not relevant to the theme of your blog, then your audience will not get the targeted content they want to read in your blog post. Okay, then comes do research. Once your topic is decided, once your niche is decided, once your skill is decided, once your interest is decided, start researching about your topic. When your blog page is ready, your theme is ready, you are pretty much clear about your niche, like I am going to write in this field of content writing, I'm going to write in this particular niche for my for writing up all the blogs. So then start researching about that particular topic, gather information and facts that are credible in order to write a certain post, and also from the credible sources to support your points. This will add credibility to your blog post and make it more and more informative. As much as you are going to research on a certain topic, as much as you are going to be benefited in that way, because your research must be very crucial, your research must be very to the point, your research must be very straightforward in order to grab all the basic and straightforward points to add up in your own blog post. Okay, then comes create an outline. When you are researching on some kind of other articles that are relevant to your own blog post, and also that are relevant to the theme of your blog page, once you are pretty much clear about the topic that you want to write on, then you have to do is you have to do a lot of research. And from all the researched articles, what you have to do is you have to create a mind map. You have to create an outline before writing up your blog. Okay. And in that case, what you are going to do is you are just going to shortlist all the points from all the research articles, and then you have to differentiate it that these points are similar in every article and these points are different in every article. So then what you are going to do is you are going to create a mix and match of all the articles that you have read on the Google in regard to that particular topic. This is how you are going to prepare your own outline. Okay. Organize your thoughts and information in clear and logical structures. When I am going to practically demonstrate all of you, I will go through all these step-by-step guidelines. For example, I will guide all of you to how to decide your topic. Then we will start researching on a certain topic. Then I will create an outline right in front of you, practical demonstration. Then I will start writing the whole blog and I will demonstrate you practically from Monday onward, inshallah. Organize your thoughts and information in clear and logical structure. A typical blog post structure includes an introduction, body, and conclusion. These are the three major parts of a certain blog. Okay, of a blog post. First one is introduction. Second one is the body paragraph. Body paragraph can be of one paragraph, or you can divide it into the digestible and schemable chunks. Okay. Then comes last but not the least part of the blog post is the concluding remark. Then comes write a captivating introduction. First of all, when you are done with your research, when you are done with creating up an outline for your blog, when you are done with doing a lot of research on a particular topic, then the fourth point comes that you have to first of all write a creative introduction. Your introduction must be very to the point, must be very straightforward and relevant to the topic that you are currently writing on. Do not move here, there, and do not start with any kind of mumbo jumbo steps you do not have to be very create a very kind of hodgepodge in your blog post. You must be very clear about the point that you want to demonstrate in a certain topic. You must be very clear, must be very straightforward whenever you are creating certain kind of content. Grab your reader's attention with an engaging introduction. You can use a compelling anecdote, a thought-provoking question, or a surprising fact to hook your readers. For example, if you are starting a blog with a question mark, then your readers are going to curious about the content that you are providing next after the introduction. Okay, so this is how you can captivate attention of your readers. You can captivate and grab the whole attention of your reader, and they are going to read your content throughout the whole blog post. They are going to read from introduction till the conclusion, and then they are going to press the like button on your blog page. Okay. Then comes develop the body. Divide the body of your post into several paragraphs, each focusing on a specific point or subtopic. Use subheadings, bullet points, and numbered lists to make your content easy to scan and digest. As we discussed yesterday, that people search for the relevant answer of the question in a certain kind of blog or article. So what you have to do is you have to divide body paragraph into digestible chunks, so that people are not concerned with every section of your blog. They are only concerned with a particular section in which they are getting the answer to their questions. So that is why you have to divide the whole blog post body into digestible and schemable chunks, so that people get the relevant answers to their questions. Use conversational tone with write in a friendly and approachable manner to connect with your readers. Please do not use kind of difficult terminologies that are not understandable. They are very captivating for people who are pretty much educated, and they can understand the English all the English terminologies that you are providing in a blog post. But if your audience is very is very at the minimal stage of English, then they are not going to understand the difficult terminologies and jargons that you are utilizing in your blog post. Okay, so if you are using too much kind of different difficult terminologies in your blog post, they will not, then you will end up distracting your targeted audience, and they will not take interest in your content, and they will not come back to your blog post in order to get certain answers to their questions. Okay, so avoid using jargon or complex language that might alienate your audience. Then provide value. Ensure that your blog post offers value to your readers. Provide actionable tips, practical advice, or insightful information that they can apply in their lives or work. And this is the point where you can provide exact information that your audience want. For example, if you are yesterday I quoted an example, like if you are running a YouTube channel as well, and also you are writing blog posts on certain blog pages as well, then what you can do is you can create a kind of creative video on your YouTube channel, and you can also quote that particular video that is relevant to your blog post, and you can attach that particular video in your blog post as well. This is how you are going to run your blog page as well as your YouTube channel simultaneously, in the actionable step of getting the targeted audience. Okay, then comes incorporate visuals. Include relevant images, infographics, or videos to make your post visually appealing and to break up the text. Visual elements can enhance the reader experience and make complex concepts easier to understand. I do always say that content writer have to be a kind of all-in-one package. He or she has to work as a graphic designer for herself as well, and also kind of marketing, digital marketer as well, and you all have to work as a content writer as well for your own, and for your own benefit if you want to have. Okay, so you must have to be all in one kind of package, and you have to work on your graphics as well. You have to work on creating infographics, visual images, and kind of relevant images that are particularly related and relevant to your blog post. Add a compelling conclusion. Summarize the key points of your post and reiterate the main message. Encourage your readers to take action or share their thoughts in the comment section as well. Then edit and proofread your content. I do always say that writing the content is not a big deal, but proofreading your content is the major step of content writing. You have to read, you have to proofread, you have to review and re-review your content as much as you can before posting your content on any of the blog page. Okay, review your blog post for any grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, or inconsistencies, or any kind of redundancy in your content as well. Redundancy and the repetition means that you are using the same concept with different words again and again in your blog post. So that is why you have to proofread your content, and no one can judge you better than yourself. So you must have to read your content like a judge, and you have to analyze your content by yourself, like whether I am repeating my words again and again or not, whether there is a kind of grammatical error or not. And for grammatical error assistance, I have provided all the 6 tools to you people, and you can utilize them while writing up the blog post. Okay, then comes optimize for SEO. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally throughout your content to improve your blog's visibility in search engine optimization and in search engine results on Google as well. So this is very, very important. But this is not only the important point of blog post. There are so many certain points. That is why I put this point on the 11th number, because I do want all of you to keep in mind all these important points while writing up your blog post, because this is a kind of important point, but this is not a mandatory one. You have to be very vigilant about SEO, search engine optimization, for your blog post, and for that reason you just have to add keywords in your blog. But how to utilize those keywords in a way that they are more captivating and they are more engaging in your content, this completely depends on your capability of writing up a certain kind of captivating content. Then publish and promote. Once you are satisfied with your blog post, publish it on your blog platform. And platform, these are the 4 blog blog platforms that can be utilized in the free way, and you do not have to spend any of the single penny in order to have hosting of your blog page. You can create your blog page by yourself, and you can go ahead and start writing your blogs on Quora, on Bloggers, on Tumblr, and on Facebook as well. Okay, share it on social media forums and other relevant platforms to reach a wider audience. Then engage with your readers, respond to comments, and encourage discussions to build a community around your blog. By following these steps, you can create a well structured and engaging blog post that resonates with your audience and encourages them to return for your content in the future as well. Okay, so that is all from my side. If you have any question, you are more than welcome to ask once I add all of you up on the stage. Okay. So start adding up your questions, then we will end up the stream. Okay, team. See you on Monday. Till then, stay safe, stay great. Good luck.